Hey guys, greetings from Japan. We are gonna introduce the single tank ultrasonic cleaner. This one is with the material stainless steel 304, and the tank capacity is 108 liters. The ultrasonic power is 1.8 kilowatts. The heating power is 4.5 kilowatts. We can customize as per your needs. And before you clean the items, you need to fill the water that is above the heating pipe, so it would not damage the machine. And usually we suggest you to fill the water with 3 quarters. Now let's look at the control panel. Before we start cleaning, we set the temperature first. Turn on this button, and then this one. This is temperature plus. This is temperature minus. And we set it at 60 degrees. Press this button, it starts heating. Now we set the time for ultrasonic cleaning. Press time plus button. We set it at 30 minutes. This is the time minus. If we press this button, you see. And now we press this button to start the ultrasonic cleaning. We can adjust the ultrasonic power by press these 2 buttons. Now we press this button, power minus. As you can see, the ultrasonic power is less. We press the power start button. Now you can see the ultrasonic power is big. And this is the sweep function. We turn it on. Press this button to stop the ultrasonic cleaning. And I do hope you like this video. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.